Okay, hi, I'm Jordan. This is my dad, Jim, the Grumpy Plumber, and he wants to talk about bidets today. Bidets, because he gets a lot of questions. Should you get a bidet or a Toto Washlet? Anyways, this is him talking about bidets.
Let's get serious. Let's get really serious. When I was a young plumber, I used to wonder what those things were, okay? As you get older, you understand more and more what they are. Now, we were just traveling. We were in a country called Italy. Food was good, by the way. Really, I recommend the food. But they have a law that every house must have a bidet, at least one bidet in the house, and hotel rooms have to have bidets, okay? You know, you can do whatever you want with that. But they're used, they use them, and why aren't we using them? Nowadays, I think people are thinking more and more about them because now they've heard more and they're going to use them. But and another thing we got is the Toto came up with what they call a washless toilet seat, okay, or washes you, okay, and it's great. They're wonderful. And you men, you think it's funny that you got to use it, but try one. You try it, and you'll be one happy dude. Okay, they're very clean and they're very simple to put in. And Jordan might even be installing one before long.
It's true.
Yeah. So, but
it's actually, I heard it's really good for resale value in your house if you have a bidet or a Toto Washlet, or if you just have the plug by your toilet, the plug down below, so you can plug into it. They say it helps with resale value.
That spray thing, though, that's kind of, you kind of tend to wash everything when you have that spray thing.
Yeah, I'm talking about electrical plug. Just
electrical plug. But yeah, the electrical plug, really, they're not. You look at it, and sometimes you can figure out how to get electrical plug in there very easy. But they're really, really a great idea. And, so, I mean, the Italians, they think it's great, they make great food. Why not keep a great clean butt, Should I said that?
We'll keep it in there, for sure.
Okay. Hey, I'll tell you what, if you like this idea and you get a bidet, buy me a beer, okay?
You can click the thanks little icon down below to help him out. Buy the old man a beer. Thanks for watching. And if you want to watch more, we have a full video here about the Toto Washlet, which is pretty much the easiest one you can install in your house.
Oh, yeah.
Right away, without having like more space and stuff. You just attach it to the toilet that you already have. So check out that video for more information.
And there's other brands of them, but boy, I'll tell you what, Toto's got the best idea. Thank you.